Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of beginner artists are having trouble in making face. Don't worry about it. In today's video, I am going to teach you how we can draw a beautiful face. So let's get started. We make a circle like this. We make first a basic structure, okay? The line, we make two lines. First line and the second line. And make a line from the middle. Like this, and this is our structure. Come to the interesting point. The first line, the upper line, we make a curved line like this, and here this is our eyebrow. Same thing, we make two curved lines and we make the pupil like this, and boom, our eyes is ready. Isn't it cool? And for the nose, the second line, we make a curved line, and for the lips we just draw a small line and another small line like this. So this is our face is ready. For the ear, we make a C and flip C. So it's ready. And for the last part, the hair part, we make any kind of hair, a curly hair, straight hair, whatever hair you want, we just make a hair. And the last, we join this chin, and boom, our face is ready. And then you just make the whole body part. Here you can make some cloth, whatever you want. We just focus in this video how we can draw the face. Okay, so the face is ready. Isn't it cool? It's too simple, not so very hard. A lot of artists are having very big trouble in face. They don't know how to create a proper face. It's too simple. Here I'm making a girl face. Same structure, same, the method is same. We make a circle, then we create two lines. From the first line we make the eyebrows, and for the eyes we make same two curved lines like this, and the pupil over here, the eyes is ready. Okay, and then for the nose part, same, the second line we make just a small line like this, a curved line, and the lips a small line like this, another small line from the bottom. For the ear we make two curved lines like this, two brackets, like, okay, it's look like a bracket or C or flip C. And lastly we make hair. And this is how we draw a perfect face, right? This is the front side. Now I'm going to teach you how we can draw a side view of the face. Same structure, we make a circle like this, two lines, first line and the second line, and we make the forehead in here like this. And for the nose, we make this nose between these two lines. Our nose is ready. For the lips part, we just make a lip like this. It's too simple, right? Oh, half of the face is ready. And for the eyes, the first line, we make the eyes, and between these two lines we make the ear, and lastly we make the hair. So maybe now you know how to draw a perfect face, right? So if you like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel and please do share with your friends. And okay, lastly I also make a face like this, and also the same method without any structure. You can make the face very perfectly, but first you need to practice a lot. So this is how we make a perfect face. Boy, girl, man, woman, old man, everything. Just you need to make a structure like this, two lines, circle and nose, etc, etc. Just focus on the structure and make a proper face, right? That's it for today. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and please do share with your friends. Thank you for watching.